Okay, man, we're back. We're going to take a look at page 140 and 141, and this is all about the grammar superlatives. Superlatives. So we use superlatives when we compare one thing to more than one thing, many things. Let's take a look at the grammar video just in review, and then we'll practice a little bit together. All right. Here we go.
Superlative adjectives.
Tom is 14 years old. Julia is 15 years old. David is 16 years old. Tom is the youngest. David is the oldest.
We form superlative adjectives like this. For many adjectives, we add est.
Old. Oldest.
When the adjective ends in e, we add st.
Large. Largest.
When a short adjective ends in one vowel plus one consonant, we doesn't add est.
Hot. Hottest.
When a short adjective ends in a consonant and y, we change the y to I and add est.
Windy. Windiest.
Remember that some adjectives are irregular.
Good. Best. Bad. Worst.
When we make a statement using a superlative adjective, we use the before the superlative adjective.
Tom is the youngest. David is the oldest.
Okay, and that was super helpful. Let's jump back over now. Let's take a look at back at our book. All right, gotta shrink that down here. And I'm gonna blow myself back up so I can make sure everybody can see me okay. Okay, here we go. And let's switch back over to the workbook. Let's see if we can do some of these exercises together. All right, so grammar in use. Study the grammar. Learn grammar, superlatives. Fast, the fastest. Tall, the tallest. Nice, the nicest. Heavy, the heaviest. You guys can see here that the Y changes to I and we add EST. Same thing's going to happen on easy, the easiest. You can see that Y changed to an I. Big, the biggest. All right, when you have a three-letter word like that with a vowel consonant on the end, you got to double the consonant and then add EST. I know, English is weird. All right, let's see if we can do this. Old, the oldest. Slow, the slowest. Smart, the smartest. Tall, the tallest. Heavy, the, ooh, it's got a Y in the end. We've got to change the Y to an I, add EST. The heaviest. Big, there's a three-letter word with a vowel consonant ending, so we got to double the ending. The biggest. 7, young. The youngest. Short, the shortest. All right, let's check our answers, see how we did. Boom! Good job. All right. So we got those all correct. All right. Well, let's keep in here. We got those all correct. Let's look at C next. It says circle the correct words. So each picture we got to look at carefully. Look at number 1. Tom is the shortest or the tallest. So we've got to pick the right be verb. Do we say, remember, is singular, are is plural. Tom is the shortest. Number 2, the goats. So there's more than one. We have to say use are. The goats aren't the smallest. Be careful, that one's tricky. It's got a negative on it. We got to go the opposite. They aren't the smallest. Number 3, Mary and Anne. Two things, two people. So we have to use are. The and the two girls. It's got to be talking about the two girls, right? Because Mary and Anne are the, and they're definitely younger, smaller than the other two. The computer, okay, singular, one computer, is the heaviest. All the other objects are much smaller, so yes, it will be the heaviest. Check our answers, and we got green marks, check marks, and all of those. Good job. Way to go, Teacher Josh. All right, let's jump over to the next page here. Let's delete the answers for now. All right, let's take a look here. Look at the picture. Answer the questions. All right, so we've got Jake. He's got a cat and a ball in his hand. Jose is in the middle. Abdul is on the right. Okay. Is Abdul the tallest? No, he isn't. You can see Jake is just a little bit taller. Number 2, is Jose the shortest? Well, he's in the middle. Yes. We would say, yes, he is. Is Jake's cat the biggest? Well, we look at Jake's cat and we have to say no. I mean, these other cats are huge. No, it isn't. Okay, is Abdul's cat the biggest? That thing is huge. It looks like a tiger. Man, yes, it is. Is Jose's ball the heaviest? Look at Jose. He might be the shortest, but man, he's got the biggest ball. Yes, it is. And then finally, is Jake's ball the lightest? Well, no, look at this. Abdul's ball is tiny. So we have to say, no, it isn't. All right, let's check our answers. Bada boom, we got those all correct. Good job, everybody. Okay, answer the questions. Are you the tallest in your class? Man, when I was in 8th grade, I sure was. Yes, I was. Yes, let's pretend I'm a kid. Keep it in the simple present. You want to make sure it's in the same tense as the question is given it. So, yes, I am. I was a tall kid. Are you the oldest in your family? Well, I have 2 older brothers, so I have to say no, I am not. What's the biggest toy in your room? Ah, my toy truck is the biggest toy in my room. Of course, yours is going to be different, probably. What's the lightest thing in your backpack? My pencil is the lightest thing in my backpack. Okay. Oop, not a question mark. There we go. All right. Man, thanks for joining me. This has been awesome. I always enjoy hanging with you. All right. We'll see you again soon. Bye, students.